Define clear standards, hindi lang tasks. Have you ever given instructions sa team mo, tapos paulit-ulit pa rin nilang ginagawa ang mali? Feeling mo ba they're not listening or baka naman kulang sila sa skills? Let's use Martin and Chel's story as an example. They own a printing services business for banners, tarpaulins, calling cards, brochures, and invitations. They have graphic designers, machine operators, customer service staff, and delivery personnel. Ang pinakamalaking struggle ni Martin was this. He only told people what to do, but never why or how it should be done. For example, sasabihin niya sa designer, gawin mo tong tarpaulin for the client. Pero he never explained anong quality standard, what file format, what's the approval process, when is it considered done. Kaya every time the designer would finish something, Martin would just say, "Nako, mali yan, ganito dapat." The designer would revise. Martin would check again. Hindi pa rin tama. Revise ulit, check ulit. Ilang beses? 5 times. Sometimes even more. Hindi dahil walang alam ang designer, kundi dahil hindi niya alam ang standard ni Martin from the start. Kaya Chel asked him, sabi niya, "Love, kung ikaw yung empleyado, maintindihan mo ba kung ano talaga ang gusto mo?" And tumahimik si Martin. Kasi, totoo, he was giving instructions na puro just do it, pero walang clarity. So, eto yung ginawa nila. They created a simple standard operating procedure or SOP. Now, sa bawat project tulad ng tarpaulin, brochure, invitation, they wrote down yung specs, yung steps na dapat sundin, yung quality check bago i-submit, at sino ang mag-a-approve ng ano. They even created templates and samples. Ganito ang tamang layout, ganito ang spacing, ganito ang font hierarchy. At first, it took time to create these documents. Pero after 2 weeks, grabe ang pagbabago. Yung designer, huminto na siya sa pagtatanong na tama po ba ito every hour. Kasi alam niya ng standard. Revisions went from 5 times to just once. Or sometimes, wala pa. Martin's stress level bumaba ng malaki. Ito yung lesson. Your team is not lazy or incompetent. They just don't have a clear picture of what good work looks like in your eyes. Kaya when you define your standards clearly, people can work independently because they know exactly what success looks like. And so, choose one repetitive task sa negosyo mo. Write down the step-by-step process and the quality standard. Tapos, share mo ito with your team and you will be surprised how much smoother things will go, anak. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.